Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn about the multiplication. So our topic is multiplication. It's very important when we have to do multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Mostly in lower classes, whenever you have to do the multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000, and that time it becomes very easy for us to do multiplication in such situations. For example, I will give you through example. Let's suppose if I have to multiply 786 by 10. So what will be the result? The result will be this 786 again, and this 0 comes here. The answer is 786. If we do this in the another way, like this 786 into 10, so if we go through this like this, 06 are 0, 08 are 0, 07 are 0. Now 16 are 6, 18 are 8, and 17 are 7. So the result is 0687. After adding, we get the result of this. But this result and this result is same. So what is the difference between these two things? One, this method can save our time. This method can save our lot of time. ये हमारा time बहुत बचा सकता है in comparison with this method. Now one more example we are going to take here, that is if we have to multiply 786 by 100. So in such situation, what you have to do, simply here are two zeros and this 786 comes here and with two zeros. That will be the answer of your question. So in the same way, if I have to do multiply 786 by 1000, so the answer will be this 786 comes down including with these three zeros. And there are some cases like this. For example, case number 1, 7860 into 100. So in such situation, what we have to do, we have to simply multiply with, but the answer will be this 7860 and including these two zeros. That's very easy. Okay? If you have to multiply 786 by 10,000, so the answer will be the same, 786 with 4 zeros. I hope you all are enjoying this thing. This is very easy. There is no hard and fast rule, but simply whenever you have to do multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000, that time you can save your lot of time. आप इससे बचा सकते हैं. Now let us go through the questions. Okay, I am now going to take the question number 1, so that we will understand more elaborated this concept. So the question number 1, if we go through the tryout 3, so in tryout 3 we can say that the part A, that is 46 into 10. 46 into 10. So what will be the answer? This 46 comes here into including this 0. Here I have one more thing in my mind that is very important related to this. For example, if I have to multiply 786 by it is not 10, it is 20. It is 20. So what we will get, you have to say that this 0 comes here and this 2 has to multiply first with 6, then with 8, then with 7. Let us do that. 2 6 are 12. This is 2, 1 carry upon 8. 2 8 are 16 plus 1 is 17. 1 again carry. 2 7 are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So this will be your result. So whenever it is not अगर आपके पास अगर कोई भी नंबर हो बट उसमें 0 है, like as 56400 into 300, this type of question, if you have to this type of question, you have to do multiply. So this is a 3-digit number and this is the 5-digit number. So how you do it very easily? So you have to write these zeros 2 zeros I have to write here, and then multiply 3 0 or 0, 3 0 or again 0, 3 4 or 12, this is 2, 1 carry upon 6, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 is 19, 1 again carry, 3 5 or 15 plus 1 is 16. So this will be your answer. So you should keep this thing in your mind. If it is not 1, if it is not if we are going to do multiply by other than the 1, 10 is 100,000, but if there are zeros, it is very easy for you to do the multiplication in a short period of time. Okay. Now in the same way, if we talk about the question number 1, that is 46 into 10, what you have to simply, here is 1, so you have to simply write the answer 4 6 and this 0, that will be your answer. In the second part, B part, the B part is 15 into 10, 15 into 10. So now the answer will be this 15 comes here and including this 0, that will be your answer. In the C part, the question is 98 into 100. So what will be the answer? This 98 comes here, 98 including these two zeros. So that is another thing, you can another way you can solve this question. ठीक है. So अगर आपके पास 98 है into 100 है, so 98 आएगा नीचे and 2 0 इसके साथ आएंगे. ठीक है. One more, now let us take the question number 2. You have to solve question number 2, but you have to use some signs. This is greater than sign, this is less than sign, and this is equal to sign. So the part number 1 is, that is 11 into 40 dash 11 into 30. Now you have to simplify. हमें यहाँ से भी सॉल्व करना है, यहाँ से भी सॉल्व करना है, एंड बीच में हमें यहाँ पे फिर साइन डालने चाहिए. ग्रेटर देन आएगा साइन या लेस देन और इक्वल साइन, बट एवरीथिंग इज डिपेंड ऑन द नंबर फर्स्ट. ये नंबर है जो यहाँ पे रिजल्ट आएगा, क्या दिस रिजल्ट बिगर देन द सेकंड रिजल्ट? इफ दिस रिजल्ट इज स्मॉलर देन द सेकंड रिजल्ट, डोंट यूज सेकंड रिजल्ट फर्स्ट, use your first result. So whenever you have to do multiply here, so instead of 10, here is 40. So we can simply put this 0 here, and 4 1 are 4, and again 4 1 are 4. Here the answer is 440 dash, this is 0 comes here, and 3 1 are 3, and again 3 1 are 3. So here is 440 and this is 330. This 440 is greater than 330, so the sign can be used as a greater than sign because the first number is greater than the second number. B part, this is 74 into 20, 74 into 20 dash 74 into 200. So you have to say if the first number is bigger, greater than second, or if the first number is less than second, or if the first number equal to second number. So in simply we have to do multiply here, but here is not, again 1 is not here, so we simply put this 0 here, and 2 4 are 8, and 2 7 are 14. Okay, 2 7 are 40. This is 1480, and here we have to multiply. Here 2 zeros are here, so we have to put 2 0 here, and 2 4 are 8, and 2 7 are 14. So this is 14,800, this is 1480. So this number is smaller than the second number. This sign can be used here. C part, in the same way we have to do C part. 36 into 50 dash 36 into 80. So here we can say that this is here this 0 can be put it here, and 5 6 are 30, this 0 3 carry here, 5 3 are 15 plus 3 is 18. So this is 1800, and we simply here this is 0 put it 0 here, and 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 3 are 24 plus 4 is 28. So this is your answer. So this 1800 is smaller than this 2880, so we can use this sign. Now D part is 48 into 100 dash 1848 into 10. So now you have to solve this question. So we can write here. So here if we multiply here, so 2 zeros comes here, and 1 8 are 8, and 1 4 are 4 dash, here 0 comes here, 1 8 are 8, 1 4 are 4, 1 1 are 1. So this is 4800, this is 1480. So this number, the first number, is greater than the second number. This is your question number 2. Now we have to solve the question number 3, and there's a very simple way to solve the question number 3. Before solving question number 3, let us go through with the example. हम एक example पहले लेंगे. So may I have 148 multiply by 3. So how we have to do this multiplication? So we have to use the expanded form of multiplication. हमें यहाँ पे use करने हैं expanded form. Now I have 148. So there is ones, tens and 100. How many hundreds are here? 1. So it is 100. Plus how many tens are? 4. 4 tens means 40. 4 tens means 40. And how many ones are? 8. 8 1 are 8. So this is the number which I have expanded. Okay? So 100 plus 40 plus 8, this also becomes 148. And this whole number has to be multiplied by 3. I have to multiply this whole number by 3, because the question is I have to multiply 148 by 3. So I expanded this 148. I write it. I write it 100. This is 40 and this is 8. Now it is multiplied by 3. Now how I have to do this? So I first do like this, that 100 into 3. Now next is plus this 40 into this 3 plus this 8 into this 3. So let us solve this. This is 0 0, because 3 0 are 0, 3 0 are again 0, 2 zeros and 3 1 are 3, plus here 3 0 is 0, 3 4 are 12, again 3 8 are 24. Now let's add them. 300, 120 and 24. Add them. This is 4 4 and this 4. This is the answer is 444. In the same way, we have to go for the example question number 3 with part A. Question number 3 with part A. You have to multiply 64 by 6. So let us first, we have to expand this multiplicand should be expanded. So let's expand this. So 64 can be written as ones, tens. So how many tens are? 6. 6 tens means 60 plus 4 ones means 4. Now we have to go for 60 plus 4. Now multiply by 6. Multiply by 6. So this is again 60 plus 4 becomes again 64 and multiply by 6. Now first this 60 into 6 should be multiplied. So we have to write here 60 into 6. 60 into 6 bracket close हम कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर भी, and 4 into 6. This 4 should be multiplied with 6. So this will be 0, because 6 0 is 0 and 6 6 are 36, plus 4 6 are 24. Now here add, we can add here simply. So this can be added like this, 360 and 24. So the answer will be 483. So the answer will be 384. This will be your answer. I hope आपने ये अच्छे से समझा होगा. Now let us do the question number B part of the same question. B part of the same question. So what is the question? 74 into 8. 74 into 8. So the we have to expand 74. This is ones, this is tens. So how many tens are? 7. It becomes 70 plus how many ones are? 4. So this is 70 plus 4 and into 8. This is expand form of 74. This is nothing expand, just an expand form of 74. So now we have to multiply this 70 by 8. So I am writing here 70 into 8. Then in the middle is plus. This is 4 into this 8. 4 into this, because this 8 has to be multiplied with both the numbers 70 as well as 4, because 8 is multiplied with 74. So 74 has been divided. How many parts we have divided? In 2. Like as this is 70 plus 4 and this 8 is also multiplied with these two numbers. Now the answer will be this is 8 0 are 0 and 7 8 are 56, plus this is 4 8 are 32. Now just add this, so we get 560 plus 32. So the answer will be 2 and 9 and 5. This will be your answer. Okay, this is your answer. Now C part, go through with the C part. The C part is 125 into 3. 125 into 3. So how we have to first divide, we have to first do the expansion of this 125. Ones, 10 is 100. So how many hundreds are 1? So it is 100 plus how many 10 is 2. It means 2 10 are 20. And how many 1 is 5 1 are 5. So the whole number must be multiplied by 3. So let us do this separately. So 100, this 100 must be multiplied by 3. So into 3, then I have plus here. So 20 into this 3 and plus 5 this by into by 3. So here is 100 into 3. This is 3 0 are 0, 3 0 are 0, 3 1 are 3, plus this is 3 0 is 0, 3 2 are 6, plus 3 5 are 15. So the answer will be, let's add them. So 360 and 15. So the answer will be 573. This is a very easy way to solve the such type of questions when you have to do expansion form of multiplication. Let us go for the part D. So what is part D? Part D is, that is 416 multiplied by 4. 416 multiplied by 4. So you have to multiple here. So this is the first we have to expand here this 416. So how 1 is 10 is 100. How many hundreds are these? 400. It is 400 plus how many 10s are 1. It becomes 1 10 are 10 plus how many 1s are, this is 6. 6 1 are 6. So this whole number must be multiplied by 4. So now we have to go for separate multiplication. 400 into this 4, then next is plus this 10 multiplied by 4, 10 multiplied by 4, plus then 6 multiplied by 4, 6 multiplied by 4. So the answer will be this here. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 4s are 16, plus this is 0, 4 1s are 4, 40, and this is 24. So the answer will be, add these numbers, 1640 and 24. So the answer will be 4661. 1664 is the answer of this question. Now the E part is of this question is, that is 528 by 5. So let us expand this one's 10 is 100. So how many hundreds are 5? So it becomes 500. How many 10 is 2? That is 20. How many 1 is? That is 8. Now the whole number must be multiplied by 5. So now I have to multiply 500 by 5. So 500 into 5 plus 20 into this 5 plus 8 into by this 5. So the answer will be, this 5 must be multiplied with 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, and plus this is 5 zeros are 0, 5 5 2s are 10, 100, and this is 8 5s are 40. Now add, so 2500, 100 and 40. So the answer is 0462. So 2640. This is the answer of the question number 3 part E. So this is the end of the tryout 3. Now we have to do the tryout 4.